Hi, my name is Melody and welcome to bakeandcookwithpassion.com. If this is your first time, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button. And hey, it's okay to leave a comment. This video is all about the Better Buttered Biscuit. I will give you 2 tips on how to make a better buttered biscuit. So I hope you will enjoy it as much as I have enjoyed bringing it to you. Now let's get started. Tip number 1. Add buttery goodness by adding slices of cold butter to one side of the circle. Fold twice and gently form your ball again. With a rolling pin, roll out to about 1 inch thick. Tip number 2 for better buttered biscuits. Place 1/3 cup of butter into your baking pan and place into the oven until it is melted. Remove it from the oven, then add the biscuits. Now when you do the biscuits, make sure you flip them over so there's butter on both sides. And don't worry about the butter on the bottom of your pan. It'll just cook through the biscuits. If you're interested in the bacon butter recipe, please watch some of my other videos. I also have a video for breakfast turkey apple sausage. Both recipes will go great with better buttered biscuits. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will subscribe, like, and share.